Hello everyone, I am Anita, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce. Today we are going to see about the topic is dividend policy or guide to the shareholders return. From the subject is financial management. Let's see, the topic is what is dividend. There is have two main things. First one is reinvest in the business. Companies can choose the grown bigger by the investing profit back into the operations, research or expansion. Second one is issue dividends to shareholders. The share of the success, a portion of after tax profit is distributed directly to the company's owners as reward for their investment. Next one is planting seed for the growth versus sharing the heaviest today. Every company is facing the fundamental choice for the example of profit and cultivate future expansion, the earnings of return current shareholders. The right balance depends on the company stages, opportunities and strategic vision. Next one is the power of dividend. Let's see, in the periodic wise, in the first dividend and the second and the third one is nothing but the changes is there is have a variations of the dividend policies. Next one is the magic of componenting dividend. When the dividend is by more share, those new share also generate a dividend over time. It's create an exponential growth effect that can be outplays sample stock price appropriate alone. If the dividend between the earnings return or your original investment virus return on your investment pools all accumulated returns. Next one is how the companies decide factors shaping dividend policies. There is have four main things. First one is cash option, second one is investment opportunities, next the shareholders preference, next the last one is stability. First one is the company have sufficient space, the cash after meeting operational needs. The second one is there are existing projects are expansion plans that promise strong returns. The third one is the investor value immediate cash income. Next one is the companies for a smooth and the overcome the payment. Next one is balancing shareholders return with the company's growth. Successful dividend policy requires careful balance. Pay too much in dividends and the company make lack funds of growth. Pay too little and the shareholders may lose confidence. The art line in finding the sweet spot where the both current return for the future growth are optimized. Next one is the dividend policy. There is cover three main things. The financial health signal. The clear dividend policy demonstrate company financial strength and management's commitments to returning value of the shareholders. The second one is strategic importance. The cultural elements of financial strategy investment in the business. The third one is tangible success. Dividend represent the way of the company shares their success. Whole dividend policy guide how the share happens. These are all the main things to in the dividend policy we have used. There is have a few main things in this. How we sharing the shares to the shareholders or the investor, these are all the take the main role in the dividend policies, because the goodwill is the main thing for the company's wealth. It only gives the sustain to the market, and it only take the main role in the investing process. So for that, we have to focus on the investors and the shareholders, and what are the wealthiness have to make for them through the company profit. These are all the main thing in the process, and these three is taking the main role: the financial health, and the strategic importance, and the tangible success. Yes, the tangible success take the main role. Thank you.